In today's video, we're talking about the intake air temperature sensor. We'll discuss what it does, the symptoms of a failing sensor, and how to diagnose the issue. First, let's understand what an intake air temperature sensor is. The intake air temperature (IAT) sensor is a small, but critical component found in the air intake system of your vehicle. Its primary function is to measure the temperature of the air entering the engine. This measurement is crucial because the temperature of the incoming air affects its density, which in turn influences the amount of oxygen available for combustion. The IAT sensor sends this temperature data to the Engine Control Unit (ECU), which is the vehicle's central computer. The ECU uses this information to make precise adjustments to the air-fuel mixture. For example, cold air is denser and contains more oxygen, requiring more fuel for optimal combustion. Conversely, warm air is less dense and requires less fuel. By adjusting the air-fuel mixture based on the air temperature, the ECU ensures that the engine runs efficiently and performs well under various operating conditions. Before going into some of these symptoms, it's important to ensure your intake air temperature (IAT) sensor lasts longer, which is possible when you follow these tips. 1. Regular maintenance and inspection. Over time, the IAT sensor can accumulate dirt, oil, and debris, which can affect its performance. Regularly cleaning the sensor with a suitable electrical cleaner can help maintain its efficiency. Ensure that the sensor's wiring and connectors are secure. Loose or corroded connections can lead to inaccurate readings and potential sensor damage. 2. Avoid exposure to extreme conditions. While the IAT sensor is designed to withstand high temperatures, prolonged exposure to extreme heat can shorten its lifespan. Ensure your engine's cooling system is functioning correctly to avoid overheating. Ensure that the sensor and its connections are properly sealed to prevent water from entering, especially when driving in wet conditions or during car washes. 3. Use quality replacement parts. When replacing the IAT sensor, use original equipment manufacturer (OEM) parts. These parts are designed specifically for your vehicle and are generally of higher quality than aftermarket alternatives. Cheaper sensors might save money upfront, but they often lack durability and accuracy, leading to more frequent replacements. Now, let's discuss the symptoms of a bad intake air temperature sensor. Here are the key signs to watch out for. 1. Poor fuel economy. A common symptom of a failing IAT sensor is poor fuel economy. If the sensor sends incorrect temperature data to the ECU, the air-fuel mixture may become too rich or too lean, leading to increased fuel consumption. 2. Engine performance issues. You might notice engine performance issues such as rough idling, misfires, or hesitation during acceleration. These problems occur because the incorrect air temperature data affects the combustion process. 3. Hard starting. Another sign of a bad IAT sensor is difficulty starting the engine, especially in cold weather. Incorrect air temperature readings can lead to improper fuel delivery, making it harder to start the engine. 4. Black smoke from the exhaust. Excessive black smoke from the exhaust indicates an overly rich air-fuel mixture, which can be caused by faulty IAT sensor readings. This not only affects performance but also increases harmful emissions. Diagnosing a bad intake air temperature sensor involves a few steps. Let's walk through them. Step 1. Start with a visual inspection of the sensor and its wiring. Look for any obvious signs of damage, corrosion, or loose connections that could affect the sensor's performance. Step 2. Use a diagnostic scanner. Next, use a diagnostic scanner to read any error codes from your vehicle's computer. Codes P0112 and P0113 are often related to IAT sensor issues. These codes can help pinpoint the problem. Step 3. Check sensor readings. Using the diagnostic tool, check the IAT sensor readings. Compare the temperature readings from the sensor to the actual ambient air temperature. If there's a significant discrepancy, the sensor may be faulty. Step 4. Test the sensor with a multimeter. To further diagnose the issue, you can test the IAT sensor with a multimeter. Refer to your vehicle's service manual for the correct resistance values based on temperature. If the sensor's resistance readings are outside the specified range, it needs to be replaced. If you've determined that the IAT sensor is bad, it's time to replace it. Here's a brief overview of the process. First, locate the IAT sensor on your vehicle. It's usually found on the intake manifold or air filter box. For safety, disconnect the battery to prevent any electrical short circuits during the replacement process. Disconnect the wiring harness from the sensor and remove any bolts or clips holding it in place. Carefully remove the faulty sensor. Install the new sensor by reversing the removal process. Ensure it's securely in place and properly connected to the wiring harness. Reconnect the battery and start the engine. Use the diagnostic tool to check if the new sensor is functioning correctly and that any error codes have been cleared. Replacing a bad intake air temperature sensor can restore your vehicle's performance and fuel efficiency. Regular maintenance and timely repairs are key to keeping your engine running smoothly. If you're not comfortable performing this repair yourself, consider taking your vehicle to a professional mechanic. Thanks for watching.